Okay, welcome to SSLC mathematics class. Yesterday, what did we learn? Playing cards, different types of how many playing cards, how many red, how many about the playing cards. Okay, today we are going to the exercise 15.1. Okay, all are see your open your textbooks and see your textbook problem number 1. Complete the following statements. Probability of an event E. Probability of an event E. Probability of an event E is nothing but is denoted by probability of E. Okay. Probability of an event E is denoted by P of E plus probability of the event not E. Probability of an event not E. Not E means complement. So complement is denoted by E bar or E power C. E power C or E bar. So probability of not E is equal to P of E bar. So equal to what? Probability of an event E plus probability of an event not E is equal to what? 1. No. Probability of yes plus probability of no, both are equal to 1. Total probability 1. Okay. Next, first problem, first bit completed, second bit. The probability of an event cannot happen is the probability of an event that cannot happen is. Cannot happen means one probability. Okay. Cannot happen means impossible. Impossible. Cannot happen means the probability of. Okay. The probability of an event that cannot happen is, that cannot happen means that probability equal to 0. Probability of cannot happen. Okay, probability of happen is anything 0 to 1. Probability of can't happen, cannot happen. Cannot happen means there is no happen. So 0. Such as an event is called, such as an event is called, cannot happen event is called what? Impossible event. Definition. Impossible event definition. Any impossible means an event is cannot happen, an event is impossible. So impossible event. That impossible event probability 0. Why? Impossible means cannot happen. Cannot happen means that 0. There is no happen. Happen means any probability is there. Cannot happen means 0. So impossible, called impossible event. Third one, the probability of an event that is certain to happen is, the probability of an event that is certain to happen is 1. Certain to happen over our total probability is equal to 1. So probability equal to 1 means what? That is sure event. Probability equal to 1 means which event? Sure event. Exactly. Okay. Exactly. Sure event. So happen is, such an event is called sure event. Sure event probability 1. No. Sure event probability 1. No. Impossible event probability is equal to 0. Next, fourth one. The sum of the probabilities of all elementary events of an experiment is sum of the all elementary events. So sum of the probability or all elementary events probability equal to 1 no. Total probability, one experiment coin explained in first class, second class. Okay, second class, what is the total probability? Toss a coin, head, probability of head plus probability of tail is equal to 1. One die is rolled. What is the sample space? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. So probability of 1 plus probability of 2 plus probability of 3 plus probability of 4 plus probability of 5 plus probability of 6 also equal to 1. So total probability, one experiment have how many events? The total events is equal to 1 no. Total probability 1 no. Okay. Fifth one. The probability of an event is greater than equal to probability range 0 less than or equal to probability of A is less than or equal to 1. So this is the range of probability. So what is the question? The probability of an event is greater than or equal to, the probability of an event is greater than or equal to, P of A is greater than or equal to 0. P of A is less than or equal to 1 no. This is P of A. 0 less than or equal to P of A means what? P of A is greater than or equal to 0. P of A is less than or equal to 1 means P of A is less than or equal to, P of A is less than or equal to 1, greater than or equal to 0. So the probability of an event is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 1. Less than or equal to 1. దీక్షు ఏంది ఏంది తలుపు తీసావా? ఓకే, క్లియర్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్. Okay, clear. Good. Next. Next one. Second problem. See your textbooks. Which of the following experiment have equally likely outcomes? Explain. Equally likely outcomes. What is the meaning of equally likely events? Means that event have the equal chance, equals probability, or both events probability equal or chances are equal. Okay, what is first bit? Second bit, first one. See your textbooks carefully. A driver attempts to start a car. A driver attempts to start a car. The car starts or does not starts. For example, driver start a car. Okay, driver start a car. Okay, the driver go to start a car. That car was start or not. Here what is the two events? Start is an event, not start is another event. Start, not start. The both events are equally likely. Both events equally likely events. This is the question. Start, the probability of start equal to the probability of not start means it is equally likely. So this is possible. This is equally likely. This is not equally likely. Not equally likely. Equal likely, because for example the driver go to start the car. This is on the car, this start the car. So the car was repaired. The car was repaired. So the car driver goes to this start a car. Okay, start a car. So the car was repaired. The car was repaired means what? The car was repaired means this is not equally likely, because that is driver was, this is go to the start the car, but car was repaired. Car was repaired means so this is not equally depending, equally likely events. So this is the, what is the, it is not equal likely as it depends on various factors such as whether the car will start or not. The car will start or not. This is one. It is not equally reason, explanation. What is the explanation? As it's depends on various factors such as whether the car start or not. Next one. Second bit is a player attempts to shoot a basketball. She or he shoots or miss the shoot. A player attempts the shoot a basketball. Okay, shoot a basketball. This is the experiment. Shoot a basketball is an experiment. So here first event is shoot. Shoot is one event. Missing the shoot is another event. Shoot to missing the shoot. Shoot to missing the shoot. The both are equally likely events or not? Not an equally likely events, because that shoot or miss the shoot, this shooting is depending on our player capability. Shooting is depending on our player capability. Player is not a capable person. Player is not a capable person. This always is missing a shoot. Always missing a shoot. So player is capability person, this is equal likely. So player is not capability person, is always is missing the shoot. So this is not equally likely events. Not equally likely events. Depends upon reason, depends upon player capability. Next, third one. A trial is made to answer a true or false question. True or false question. The answer is right or wrong. One question has two options, true or false. Okay, only two options. Question is the experiment. Thus question is true or false means that every question has only two answers, true answer or false answer. So the true or false is equally likely, because the probability of true is equal to the probability of false. That question has the chances of true is equal to the chances of falses. So it is equally likely. Fourth one. A baby is born. It is a boy or a girl. Is a boy or a girl. A baby is born. Baby means boy or girl. Baby is born. What is the chance of baby? Girl. What is the chance of girl? What is the chance of boy? Both are equally chances. So boy will born or girl will born. The chances are same chances, equal chances. So this is the equally likely. Okay, this is second problem. Next third problem. So not third problem, next fourth problem. Which of the following cannot be the probability of an event? Which of the following? Which of the following cannot be the probability of an event? Cannot be, this is important. Option A 2 by 3, option B minus 1.5, option C 15%. 15% is nothing but what? 15 by 100. Fourth option 0.7. Which option is cannot be the probability of an event? Cannot be the probability of an event. B, because negative value. The each probability range is 0 to 1. No negative values above 1 values. Okay, there is no negative. Below 0 means negative values, above 1 values. The range is always the probability in between 0 to 1, 0, 1 and also. Okay, so 2 by 3 is the value of 2 by 3 is 0 point something. This is 0 to 1, between 2 by 3 is 0 to 1. 15% means 15 by 100 is equal to 0 point something is okay, probability. 0.7 is also probability. So negative value cannot be probability of an event. Negative values and above 1 values 2, 3, 4, 1.1, these all are cannot be the probability of an event. So negative value, this is the B value. Next fifth one. If P of E is equal to 0.05, P of E is equal to 0.5, what is the probability of, what is the probability of, what is the probability of not E? What is the probability of not E? So solution are given P of E is equal to 0.05, P of E bar is equal to question mark, P of E bar is equal to question mark. What is the formula? P of E plus P of not E is equal to 1. No. So P of not E, P of E bar is equal to 1 minus P of E. So 1 minus 0.05. So that is equal to, answer is 0.95. Next, sixth problem. A bag contains lemon flavored candies only. A bag contains lemon flavored candies only. Only lemon flavored candies. Okay. A bag contains lemon flavored candies and lemon flavored chocolates. Okay. Malini takes out one candy without looking into the bag. One candy is drawn. Malini take out one candy without seeing the bag. What is the probability that she take out first one, an orange flavored candy. Let O orange flavored orange flavored FLAVOURED orange flavored candy. So what is the answer? Actually the bag contain only lemon flavored candies, only lemon flavored candies. Okay, there is no oranges or orange mango flavored, orange flavored, there is no anything, only lemon flavored candies only. So how to take orange flavored candy? There is no orange flavored candies. So how to get or how to take, Malini, how to take orange flavor candies? Is impossible. Impossible events. Impossible means because there is no orange flavored candy in the bag. So there is no orange flavored candies. So how to take, Malini, orange flavor candy? Impossible. Impossible event, probability of impossible events is equal to 0. So first answer 0, because orange flavor candy is impossible event because in the bag does not contain orange flavored candy. Okay. Second one. A lemon flavored candy. Lemon flavored candy. So how many lemon flavored candy is not given. In the bag has how many lemon flavored candies? Not given. Lemon flavored candy is given. So Malini takes lemon flavored candy. So this is a sure event. This is sure event. This is sure event means probability 1. The sure event probability 1, impossible event probability 0. This is sixth problem. Next, seventh problem. If it is given that a group of 3 students, the probability of 2 students not having the same birthday, so let not having means normal, not having, not an event means E bar or E complementary, not means E complement. Let E bar be the two students. Let E bar be the an event of 2 students not having the same birthday, not having the same birthday. Only event. E be the, what is E? Let E be an event of 2 students having the same birthday. E bar be the 2 students not having the same birthday. Not having the same birthday, this is the probability is given in the problem. Probability, what is probability? P of E bar is equal to 0.992. So what is the probability that the two students have the same birthday. What is the probability of two students having same birthday? So what we have to find out? P of E. So one of the formula is there. P of E plus P of E bar is equal to 1. So P of E is equal to 1 minus P of E bar. So 1 minus 0.992 is equal to 0.008. So once again, problem number 7. It is given that a group of three students, that the probability of two students not having the same birthday, the probability of two students not having the same birthday is 0.992. Not having the same birthday is 0.992. Not having is taken E bar. So P of E bar is equal to 0.992. Okay. Next, what is the probability of two students having same birthday? Not having the same birthday is nothing but E complement. Having the same birthday is nothing but E bar. So P of E bar is equal to how much? So you have known result. P of E plus P of E bar is equal to 1. So P of E is equal to 1 minus P of E bar is equal to 1 minus 0 point something equal to 0.008. So first of all, the first point is problem will read and understanding your problem. This is the first point. What will given the data? The first point. Total problem, read carefully. First of all, that given problem is read carefully. After that, first question, what will given, what we have to find out. This is 2 points. In the seventh problem, what will given? In three students, two students not having the birthday. Not means complement. The complement is denoted by bar. P of E bar is equal to 0.092. So what we have to find out? The probability of two students having same birthday means P of E. Our known result. What is the known result? P of E plus P of E bar is equal to 1. No. So P of E bar is equal to given P of E is equal to 1 minus P of E bar. Next, 8th question. A bag contain 3 red balls. A bag contain 3 red balls. 3 red balls and 5 black balls. 5 black balls. 5 black balls. Okay. A ball is drawn at random from the bag. What is the probability of total balls? Total balls. Total balls are 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So sample space n of s is equal to 8. Total is equal to 8. Total ball. Okay, there is no red ball is not important. Total balls. Not color is not important. Total balls is equal to 8. Okay. So 3 red balls and 5 black balls. What is the probability of, for example, what is the probability that the ball is drawn red ball, second not red ball. For example, let R be the an event of draw a red ball. R is the red ball, B is the black ball. So n of R, number of red balls, n of R, number of red balls is equal to 3. Total number of balls equal to 8. So probability of what is the first bit? Probability of draw a red ball, take red ball, draw red ball, draw and take. Okay, probability of draw a red ball and a red ball probability of red ball is denoted by R. Probability of R is equal to, what is the probability formula? N of R, number of favorable cases means red balls, by total number of balls, N of S. N of R is equal to 3 by total N of S is equal to 8. The probability of draw a red ball, so 3 by 8. Next, second one, not red ball. Not red ball is nothing but what? P of R complement. Not red ball is equal to P of R complement. P of R complement is equal to P 1 minus P of R. 1 minus 3 by 8 is equal to 5 by 8. 1 minus 3 by 8 is equal to 5 by 8. Next, ninth problem. A box contains 5 red marbles. 5 red marbles. 5 red marbles. 8 white marbles. 8 white marbles, 4 green marbles, 4 green marbles, 5 red, 8 white, 4. So what is the N of S? Total number of marbles. Total number N of S. Total number of marbles 5 red, 8 white, 4 green, totally 17. Okay. So what is the probability of okay, this one. First of all, let red, white, green. For example, red. Red means what? Let R be the first red. Red means R. White means okay. Let R be the an event of red marble. An event of red marbles. Okay. Next one. Let W be the an event of white marble. An event of white marbles. Next, green. Let G be the an event of green, an event of green marbles. So what is the n of r? Number of n of r is nothing but number of red marbles. Number of red marbles is equal to 5. Number of white marbles n of w. Number of white marbles is equal to 8. Number of green marbles is equal to 4. Question. What is question? What is the probability of what is the probability what is the probability of what is the probability of that the marble what is the probability of that the marble taken out will be red marble. What is the probability of that? So for example, one bag or one room, okay, the totally 5 red marbles and 8 white and 5 green marbles. So this is mixed out, and what is the probability of that marble taken out will be red marble taken probability, red marble is taken R, let R be the an event of red marble. So red marble probability means what? P of R, probability of red marble taken out, probability of red marble. Probability of red marble is nothing taken as R. P of R is equal to formula n of R by n of S. Probability of E is equal to n of E by n of S. Probability of R is equal to n of R by n of S. N of R means number of red marbles. Number of red marbles is equal to 5. Total number of marbles equal to 17. 8 plus 4, 12 plus 15. Second one. What is the probability of that marble taken out will be white? Taken out will be white. White means probability of white. Probability of white means number of white by number of S. Number of whites, how many number of whites? N of W is equal to 8 by total number of marbles. You can take okay, sir, taken marble from total marbles. Taken any marble, red, white, green, any marble taken from total marbles. So that's why N of S is equal to 17. So next third one. What is the probability of that the marble taken out will be not green? Not green. Not green means P of G complement. Not green. Okay. Not green means P of G complement. P of G complement is not directly come. Okay. Okay. Not directly come. So first to P of G. P of G is equal to N of G by N of S. N of G is equal to 4 by 17. Number of green marbles is equal to 4. So probability of G complement is equal to 1 minus P of G. 1 minus P of G is equal to 1 minus 4 by 17 is equal to 13 by 17. This is the first 8 problems, 9 problems. Okay, the 9 problems are today we have to perfect. Tomorrow I will continue the next problem. First of all, problem what will ask? Okay, so red ball. Here also the probability of red ball is nothing but R, black ball is nothing but B, P of B. P of B is equal to formula n of B by n of S. P of E is equal to n of E by n of S. P of R is equal to n of R by n of S. N of S is equal to total. The problem has how many? Total. Okay, not depending on colors and there is anything. Okay, this one. Clear?